Audi Q8, the new front body kit and the rear body kit modified the RS style. Look, the honeycomb grills with the ACC horns and the camera horns, and the fog lamp grill, and the rear bumper with the details for the Audi Q8. The original cars, our the customers will modify this. Okay, we'll do it later. Okay, check the details. Okay, perfect quality. If you need it, please contact us. Okay, now the workers have installed the full front body kit, and then we'll put off the original car's body kit and install the RSQ8. Check the back details. Let's show you the back. You can locate, use the scroll to install the full body kit and the parking sensor and the camera bracket and other things for this. Then we'll install it later. Audi Q8 install the parking sensor and camera horns and the body kit. The original car's body kit, we'll install it later for the Audi Q8. Install. Okay, now the workers has installed down the front body kit. Locate. They also installed the black Audi green logo. Check this. And also for the ABT styles wheels rooms and the rear body kit or RSQ8. Check the details. Look, the diffuser and the tailpipe also is good. Locate. Okay, the original parts, the front body kit and the rear body kit. Okay, now the workers have installed the front body kit. You can locate the details, the front grills and the body kit for the original cars. Locate. Perfect fitment for the hood and the fender. Also is perfect fitment for the original cars. Okay, show you about the rear body kit. Locate. Rear body kit also is good quality and perfect fitment for the original cars. Okay.